All right, number 10. Find the mass of a sample of water. So that's important because water, we're supposed to know the specific heat. If its temperature dropped 24.8 degrees when it lost this much energy. Okay, so the way that's wording is telling me that the energy is a negative value, and it tells me that the temperature dropped, which is also a negative value. Not really going to make that big of a difference because when we solve for mass, it's going to come out positive. But in order to follow the correct, 100% correct, you would make them both negative. Okay, so then I'm going to multiply, and the 4.18 is the specific heat of water. Always going to be the case. Times negative 24.8 equals. Okay, so this is my value. And in order to get the mass, I'm dividing both sides by this number. Negative 103.664. And again, I don't round until the very end. It makes my numbers more accurate. Grams.Celsius, grams.Celsius. These guys all cancel. And then I've got 870 divided, oops, see, I made a mistake. Well, let me just do it. I'm just going to follow through. 870 divided by, I actually made two mistakes. I dropped the sign. And so this comes out to be 8.39. So 8.39 grams would be my mass. Okay, so let me fix my mistakes. This should be negative. This was negative over here, but when I wrote it on the other side, I didn't, I didn't carry, I dropped it, accidentally dropped it. So let's say you did negative 870, and you did what I did is you forgot the negative sign when you wrote it down again. So you get something like this. So notice that the quantity of the number is the same as our answer, but if you just know in your head, mass is not going to be negative. Mass is always going to be positive. So when that comes out negative, oh, that doesn't make sense. I'm just going to dump that negative and make it positive. You're still going to get it right. It's still the same value.